Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. I'm a familiar setting ahead of the match where Arsenal won't play against Odegaard. So they're going to interview Arteta. When they ask him about wetin Aubameyang talk, say he no get the charisma to take care of big characters get for the team, players with big experience, players with winners, champions. Say he no fit take care of them, no fit coach them. So they can say wetin Baba get to talk. Back on to say as the matter be like this now, say Aubameyang na him get him mouth to talk anything we like to talk. He get the right. Get anybody is allowed to say anything we them like. There's freedom of information. So if they ask me, make I react to wetin they talk, whereas anything like making talk now. So Baba just end them. He no get chance to call the debate with Aubameyang. Even though Aubameyang don't come outside, they talk. So when he make that statement, say that time instantly vex for the way we Arsenal take pursue him and everything. Whereas when we watch the documentary, we saw a different side of the story, how the team takes up. This is Aubameyang not even come up by himself, go Spain. Just say he won't go sign for Barcelona. All those things wey dey happen. Even say apart from which Arteta come talk, even Antonio Cassano will be one of the Italian Serie A great superstars. Come outside, come they analyze wetin Baba talk for one program. So you can talk say, look at Aubameyang where they make all this noise. Say Aubameyang where they talk say Arteta no fit handle champions. Is he a champion? I was saying ask Aubameyang, what have you won? Since you enter Arsenal, you don't win Champions League. China Europa League you don't win. You don't win the EPL. What till you win? We go talk say okay, this is what makes you a champion. Since you come out for Arsenal self, how many goals you don't score? What have you achieved at your age? You are 33 now. Somebody that does not know how to trap the ball. Now so Cassano talk and will not be say now meet the form that one. Say don't even know how to trap the ball. Say as Arteta did now, when Arteta enter Arsenal, Arsenal was a disaster. This guy brought Arsenal from the gutters of Unai Emery, brush them up. Come on, the players, bring players who go play the philosophy and the style of play when he one day known for. At the end of the day, back on the ask say who there for the top of the league as we did like this now. They say na Arsenal. I say who is the manager? I say Arsenal. I say what are we talking about? Hey, this is pure madness. And so you just end the matter. So well, for those of you now who don't watch the video, well, it's okay. So away from that, so they're going to ask Arteta also say what's the mood of the dressing room so far as they go this Odegaard now go play. So Baba can say the mood of the dressing room is very, very amazing. Say he never experienced this type of dressing room waiting for Arsenal at the moment now. Say he never experienced them. Say the boys are raring to go. Like they will just give them anybody. They are ready to knock anybody. Get. I mean, they happy saying that kind of the dressing room is very, very healthy. No bad blood, unlike before in the past. They get factions. You get Ozi faction go this, some other people faction go this. They undermine the authority of the manager. But now everybody is cool-headed. Everybody know the goal. Everybody is focused on achieving that goal. So away from that, I say make I confirm to I say Gabriel Jesus don't miss the trip to Odegaard. Baba no follow for the people who travel go there, so he's not expected to play at all. So when they ask Arteta, say wetin up? Why you say the guy missed the trip? So Arteta when they explain, say this guy don't really sacrifice himself a lot for Arsenal. He has played a lot of games, putting a lot of energy. And the statistics will come outside talk say Gabriel Jesus is the most fouled player in the EPL. So when you check all those things, and if you watch that Liverpool match, you're gonna say Kostas Tsimikas hit am for nose after way further wey dem say maybe you don faint. So they call the people physicians, they come treat am. So after all those things, he finish the match. So the guys rest am abeg. The guy don't try. But if you watch Man City match sef, I don't even forget Man City play. Copenhagen, Man City rested Erling Haaland. He no play at all. So come on, let's get players down to play week in week out every day. You go rest am now. So we working on it. So that's why they rest am. So no be say the guy they injured or anything. Say on Sunday we are going to Elland Road, we are going to play Leeds, so you will see him there. Then just fear. Then Joel Loscott come as I can talk about Arsenal and their top 4 ambitions. So Baba can talk say if Arsenal finish in the top 4, many teams would they attracted to Arsenal. They go one play for Arsenal get. And this one I would think Ian Wright don't talk in the past. I myself I share that opinion, I share that sentiment. Say if Arsenal finish in the top 4, people go want join Arsenal as long as we have Champions League to offer them. Okay, now we don't even go Champions League. People they come the reason us. We come they go Champions League. We go attract some kind top players. And let's not even forget self. This is Dennis Zakaria, we then sign for Juve. We can later join Chelsea. We Tuchel bring up. Chelsea under Graham Potter never played the guy this season. The guy never even make the bench. So the guy they para. They come out about media setting. They para. Say, what's this up now? So nobody say no, they good. Say she been our coach now. Say come because they don't sack the coach now. Thank God. Say maybe about me I go thanking God. Say that kind of thing don't happen to her because coach will bring you, don't fire her, and that coach come to start you. So Chelsea now the reason say they want to see the guy contract, make them free him. Say they don't really need them because Graham Potter won't go buy Moses Caicedo of Brighton, maybe defensive midfielder. So this guy don't do opened up because once upon a time, don't forget, Arsenal wanted to also sign Dennis Zakaria when he was in Borussia Mönchengladbach. So now if you say Chelsea won't release him, she Arsenal can't look to him because he's going to be a free agent. Say whether they'll look to him to go sign him, that's another thing I don't really know. More just to watch. They ask Arteta also on the artificial pitch we did for that Bodo Glint. Now artificial pitch they use, and their pitch is located in the Arctic Circle. I mean Arctic Circle. Now there they located. So now Arteta when they talk say it is quite true. Say this people they use artificial pitch. Roma come here under Mourinho, the chop 6-1. The pitch, normal if you don't they used to normal grass pitch, you can't come for artificial. The speed of the ball, like Arteta they explain, the speed of the ball is different. The way the ball travels, obviously, will affect you. The way you run on it is different, and something where you know they used to. And this people at their home game, obviously, is going to affect you. But Arteta when they talk say they're not they really reason all these things because like 11-11, 9 day for the field of play. So they will try all their best to get used to the pitch and play their game, irrespective of whether na synthetic, I mean na natural grass. So they know they look all those things. They can't even ask Arteta say, "Shey, una don train on artificial pitch before, like get training, warm up to understand the pitch?" The Baba say no. Say no, they really reason all those ones. So tomorrow, our aim, what will the reason how to win the match, how to dominate and win. Because any match we play, we want to dominate, create more chances, and be in the best position to win the match. And what the Arteta come explain, so we know they really bother about that one. So well, now 5:45 now to do. We'll see what's in the up. Our Kun Aguero waiting for Manchester City, is a Manchester City legend. Baba don't come and say, they talk about Gabriel Jesus. One saying they're very happy. Say Gabriel Jesus they shine for us. Now say Gabriel Jesus they behind them waiting for Man City. The guy now be in cover. Jesus not really get many game time onto Aguero factor. But for the fact say the guy run there for Arsenal, where they play regularly at a particular position, center forward. Sometimes he will go flank, but he's enjoying his gameplay. They score goals, they give assists. Get if they say Niala no come EPL, now Jesus now everybody will praise. Look at Darwin Núñez, how many goals has he scored? Get Salah even scored hat-trick yesterday, say shockingly, which means they are coming back. Well, my prayer is that they come back against Man City, they help us knock Man City. So we are praised and pleased with Gabriel Jesus. We will wait to see him on Sunday. For the media setting, they ask Kylian Tierney about winning the league. Now one Arsenal interview like that. So Kylian Tierney call the talk say, you see, it's too early for us to even talk about the league because how many games we don't play? We don't play 9 games for the EPL. We did first position and big. But back on the explain say last season, after 9 games, we were in 10th position. You get see the difference. We were in 10th position, but the point when they make me say we were in 10th after 9 games. But at the end of the day, what happened? We finished 5th, and we could easily have finished 4th or easily have finished 3rd. So Liverpool waiting for 10th now or 9th. Nobody counts them out. They can still be there. They can still turn their season around, and other teams also can still turn their season around. So there are still so many games to play. 29 games, no be beans. Anything can still happen. All you have to do is take everything game by game. Then maybe after 20 games, or maybe before the World Cup, we'll see where we did. Get so that by the time the World Cup will finish towards the end of December, and by January we'll say, okay, let's see where can we strengthen so that we'll push forward for the second part of the season. That's the major goal. But for now, say no one they talk about so that we'll win the league because you know it's too early, it's too premature. At the same time, for the media setting, they ask Arteta how important this Bodo Glimt game be. So Babako they explain say the importance we say everybody won't win the first position because when you win the first position you will skip 2 more games. You will play 2 games lesser than your opponents. You will go there wait for them for the round of 16. By the time we all those people waiting for 3rd for the Champions League come aside, can't join the league, they will reshuffle them again. So you know go play like 2 games, you go skip 2 Thursdays. So that is why Arsenal, Bodo Glimt and PSV they fight for the first position. So that is why it is very important for us to win this game, and the PSV game we will play next for us to win that one also. That is the importance of the match. So when they look whether artificial or not artificial, we want to win this game. And this is why we say with the ESA, some players are going to be rested, some players no travel though. Arteta no one let the cat out of the bag yet. No one tell everybody waiting this up. But we don't say Gabriel Jesus no go play. I'm expecting Saka to be rested. Martinelli, that one, that one see if he play because that one just like to play football now. He just want to play every day. Then Martinelli himself don't come aside from media set where they ask him about in early days of football. So Babaka they talk say almost saying no feel lie. Saying they remember the 4 tryouts when he gets from Manchester United. Saying go there 4 different times, met their stars, Ibrahimovic, Pogba, and the likes. Get so they try and 4 times. They say he was not good enough. Every time they say no, they good enough, he will go to work harder. Anytime they say no, they good enough, he will go to work harder. Now look at where he is. After bought from the 3rd division of Brazil side, now then they go buy and come. Gara come here, £6 million. Who expected saying go be a top star? Get look at him today, from nothing to something. Get so that's so football be. Life no balance, but whenever people say no to you, you keep working hard, man. Oh, at the same time, Odegaard for the media setting, definitely ask and say how important is today match for him because now in the go back to your homeland. I don't say when Odegaard did 13 or thereabouts, and before that 13 or 15, he comes for Strong Gold Sets. That's the club waiting for Norway that they didn't play before everybody can sign up. And it was 13 years when he even played for the national team. And don't forget, Naim be the national team captain, and at the same time, Naim be Norway captain. So we are expecting a lot of Norway fans to come even support Arsenal because of Odegaard, and many of them will come and watch the match because of Odegaard. And the stadium no be that kind of big stadium. It is just an 8,730 capacity stadium. So not many people are expected to be in attendance. But at the same time, Odegaard come to talk say whether artificial no be artificial pitch, we are not concerned about all these things. You get so this is a minor details. Even self, Bodo himself don't make one announcement say any fan we want enter maybe the home area. Any Arsenal fan want enter the home area must not wear an Arsenal jersey. You must not wear an Arsenal jersey. You must not wear any clothes that has an emblem or a logo or a memorabilia of Arsenal to show you an Arsenal fan, so that I can stay in the Arsenal because most of these Norway fans they be Arsenal. So make them go sit down where the home side away section dey. You want to support Arsenal, go and sit down in the away section where you're Arsenal fan. But if you want to sit down in the home area, you must not be an Arsenal fan so that you don't go incite people. Especially when Arsenal score, only you go on the shots, they will give you decking again. Even though we are saying no to violence, so that what that they always talk. Well, when the things will turn out. For the media setting, they ask Ramsdale about Arsenal, the way Arsenal they play and everything, and what will be objectives of the season. So Ramsdale can they explain, say as things stand now, say he go even prefer make we even finish 5th for the league and win the Europa League again. So if we can win the Europa League, say you go sweet and die. But if we still finish high up the table for the league, cause you win the Europa League, say you go still do okay. Because why you talk like that, we say time go reach, you go need to focus on one side. Say you want to pursue the league to win now, and want to pursue the Europa League to win now, which would be better or easier to win. And the reason we make and they talk say we need to win a trophy anytime soon. When they talk about the fans, say most fans of other clubs that they banter Arsenal, they will talk say when was the last time you won a trophy? That's the thing they banter Arsenal. Last time we won the league, maybe in 2016, I mean when I don't even forget self. The last time Arsenal won the league, don't take no, not between 2016, don't take whether 2006 or so. It don't take gone. I can't remember the dates. So now everybody talk say we need to win. Like we in Arsenal fans will cause or abuse our like banter our Tottenham Hotspur neighbors or noisy neighbors, then say their trophy cabinet say cobweb don't full am. Meanwhile we self it don't take we will win something, so we need to win something anytime soon. So if they ask and say choosing the EPL and choosing the Europa League, as long as we go win the Europa League, say no man, because winning the Europa League is an automatic ticket to Champions League. So that if you I don't know what to be I won't take, but it will be an objective. Winning the league or winning the Europa League, which will be harder, I guess, because a lot of people feel winning the Europa League is going to be an easier route than winning the league. What do you think? I am on enter match of the day. Alright, today Arsenal go play Bodo Glimt for their artificial stadium. You get this match, they very important. We don't already win the first leg 3-0, and I remember about that their coach not so when they talk say in they expect their team to beat Arsenal, say they don't understand how Arsenal they play and everything. And now we see their fans will even come and see the big drums, see they very loud. Now we are going to Norway. They have a very small stadium. You get an artificial pitch. You get they knock people there. They get a very strong winning run for that place. I remember say that they ask Arteta and say how that pitch there and how he see Bodo Glimt. But also say almost say for them to beat Roma 6-1, it goes to show say they be very strong and formidable team. Say anybody go rule them out. But I want to say we are going there and trying to impose our own game on them, because the quality wey dem dey play for that place, we go really see dem get like 12 match winning streak, dem get 13 match winning streak. The quality wey dem dey play, dem no go compare am to an Arsenal side. We will dey go there, we dey go let dem know say EPL is different from all those na Norway league. I don't even know the name of the league sef, or they go dey play all those things like Bodo Glimt, all those strong goal sets, field goal sets, all those I just dey make up names. Well, my dear football lovers, we'll see how the match will be now. Obviously, I expect us to collect 3 points. So if you know what yesterday, you check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and see how you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.